Introducing Measuretek's new foldable wheelchair scale. Weigh up to 500 kilograms or 1,000 pounds. Offers high precision with a resolution of 1 to 5,000. With RS-232 and USB interfaces, the scale integrates smoothly with EMR systems. Housed in a robust ABS enclosure, the indicator features a clear LCD display with backlight and rotates 120 degrees horizontally for easy viewing from any angle. The low-profile platform with a non-skid surface prevents any wheelchair slippage. The ramp can be lifted off the ground when a wheelchair is being pushed onto the platform. Firmly anchored handrails and auto-lifting ramps provide support and fold away for compact storage. Mute wheels allow effortless, quiet mobility. This scale offers a range of advanced features, including tare function. The built-in BMI function allows healthcare professionals to quickly assess a patient's BMI by entering height. The hold function automatically captures and locks the weight once the reading is stabilized. The recall function allows users to retrieve the last saved weight. Supports seamless unit conversion between kilograms and pounds, making it ideal for users worldwide. Simple, practical, and efficient, designed with real-world care in mind.